Hi everyone, want to make your AI video stand out with unique styles and formats? Today I'll show you how to customize a Nim video to match your exact vision, fast, easy, and with zero editing experience. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to start your prompt. Log into the Nim video and enter a prompt, then set the tone for your video right from the start. Then here you can choose a style. You can see the option style like minimal, modern, cinematic, colorful, dark mode, social media ready. Then here you can select one that fits your brand or message. Then for the format of any platform, if you need a vertical for TikTok or horizontal for YouTube, the Nim video lets you instantly switch formats between YouTube, which is ratio 16 by 9, TikTok, Reels, and Shorts 9 is to 16, and Instagram is 1 is to 1. No manual cropping or resizing needed. Then, customize your fonts, visuals, and music, voice over tone, and speed. Everything's editable inside the platform, no third party required. Then, once you're happy with your customization, hit preview to watch it in action. Then, export in HD and upload with your favorite platform. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.